we will be doing some experiments with baking soda and observe how it reacts with certain liquids.
Here are the materials needed. The quantities will show on the screen. Coke, vinegar, lemon, baking soda, measuring cups, transparent glasses, basin and drying rack. For our first trial, we will be pouring 1/2 cup of baking soda, the secret ingredient, into each of these sets of 1/2 cup and 1 cup of each liquid. Coke did not spill over. The bubbles thinned and the baking soda sank quickly. The vinegar bubbled and spilled but settled down fast. The lemon water did not spill as well, but the bubbles were thick. The baking soda rested at the bottom on all three. Whoa! Every glass spilled over! Coke's bubbles have subsided quickly. For the vinegar, the bubbling took a bit longer. As for the lemon water, the bubbles stayed thickly foamed at the top. The baking soda sunk at the bottom on all three glasses. Now, our next trial, we will be pouring 1 cup of baking soda to the same set of liquid. Coke did not spill over. A thin bubble remained on top. Baking soda sunk to the bottom. Vinegar spilled over again. This time the content seems a bit murky. The baking soda in the lemon water caused spillages and a thick foam of bubbles that seems to remain at the top. With Coke, it bubbled but did not spill over, and there seems to form alternating layers. Vinegar again spilled over. The bubbles took a bit longer to die down. Baking soda sunk to the bottom. The lemon water also spilled over, and it seems that some of the baking soda stayed afloat.
Those were amazing reactions. I don't know about you, but I feel a little bit bubbly. Pun intended. But seriously, that sure was fun. Again, my name is Naomi Gomez, and it was fun learning with all of you.